educators and the viewers of this video. Welcome to the Student Alliance community. If you're watching this video, either you are interested in taking our services or you're already a user of Student Alliance plan. Either ways, thank you so much for all the love and support that you've been giving us. Now here there's an option where I'll be telling you as to how you can convert your Wi-Fi to Ethernet option, because a lot of people do not use Ethernet and a lot of people do not use Wi-Fi. So here in the right, you will see a Wi-Fi icon. In case you want to use Ethernet, make sure your Ethernet option is on. Here you have an Ethernet facility, you just have to insert your Ethernet. In case you do not want to use your Ethernet, come to your Wi-Fi, press it on, your Ethernet will be off automatically. And then select any of the Wi-Fi networks that you want to use. Once you select on this, you will be connected to your Wi-Fi. So don't worry, even if you do not have an Ethernet or even if you do not have a Wi-Fi, you can switch from one place to another using our Student Alliance plan. So with that, I conclude the video. Thank you so much.